Here we are on Valley View in Monrovia. Tree-lined street, birds chirping, green grass, oak trees with nice shade. Start off with the nicely decorated garage. And then we go through the front porch here. Nice front living room. The whole house is remodeled. Next to the kitchen and the laundry room back here with an exterior entrance and a doggy door. Breakfast nook area. This is how you access the garage from the inside. Cool place to hang out. Coming down the front hallway here. First bedroom with a closet. Across from the hallway bathroom, which is very spacious actually. Dual vanity sink, lots of space here. Full shower and tub combo. Toilet. Some hallway cabinets there, and a second bedroom back here. Very attractive decor, fully remodeled, pretty deep closet. Next to the primary suite here. With a walk-in closet, space for a chair. Nicely decorated with its own full bathroom, tub shower combo. And let's check out the backyard. Full turf, so it's low maintenance. Shady area here from the trees and the umbrella. New fence dividing the front from the back half of the property. Just a nice place to hang out, really, and grill in the summer. Call if you have any questions, comment any other addresses you'd like to see, and feel free to text if you want a showing. Take care.